Nice.
Are you okay right here, Nanay? Love, Nanay and Claire. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. This is Claire. Welcome to my channel. This is Learning with Claire. Today we're going to do nature art.
Yep.
Now we get some basket. We can choose a leaves and then flowers and then a twigs or a wood
Yeah.
or a stick.
Yes. This time around naman, we are going to explore the naturalistic side of the kid.
Choose falling leaves and choose falling flowers.
Yes, as much as possible, don't pick it at wag sirain ng husto yung mga halaman. This nature art can make our kids feel connected with the nature. So they said the more you connected, the more you are grounded and have peace.
Let's go down. Join us, KaFam. Are you ready?
Ready! This is nice.
It's very simple. Only we need some clay and glue, and we got our leaves, flowers, and trees.
And we are ready to start.
And we're ready to start. Are you ready, KaFam?
Ready?
Yay! They're so exciting.
Let's begin. All you need to do is just choose whatever material from our nature, and then you're just going to paste it inside, or you can make it an outer design or frame. It's up to you. Claire, choose different kinds of materials from wood, leaf, and flowers.
Okay.
Ready to design your butterfly? So ako naman, tree. The easy way to do this is you can spread out your glue first.
Yes.
Okay, and then that's the time that you're going to stick piece by piece whatever you want. Go
Then
first.
put this one, the wood right there, or we can different.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Sure. And one thing with this art is that it will teach your children to be patient kasi kailangan natin ng time para mag-dry yung glue, para mag-stick talaga yung ating mga leaves and woods there.
No, on this one. I love this.
Are you okay? Are you doing fine?
Yes. Are you okay right here, Nanay?
Ang ganda ng tanim na to. Yung likod niya is red, yung harap naman niya is white and green.
Yeah.
Pretty. Okay. I'll use the red one.
Okay.
Let's start here. Wow!
Wow.
That's nice. I like that.
Or you can put flowers right here.
Yes.
I love butterfly. Butterfly. So pretty butterfly. I love butterfly. Oh! Nanay, pwede ko hinihoy tapi.
The end.
Right there.
Ano na? Saan ka? Yes! Very good.
Nice thinking, Claire.
Yeah.
Okay, I love this. Sabi, that's okay?
Like a dinagyang headdress. Why not? Okay.
Wow, I love yours, Nanay.
You like mine?
Yes.
Oh, I like yours too. Take your time. Okay?
Take your time. Wow.
It means that you can own your time. You don't have to go fast with art.
I love yours. So pretty. Why do you do that?
Yung ginagawa ni Claire, symmetrical naman siya. Kung anong nilalagay niya dito, nilalagay niya din sa kabila. Wow.
Because I love butterfly.
Saan ko ito ilalagay? Maybe this one is like a fruit, no? doesn't have to be super flat yung surface. Mas maganda nga yung may mga ganito, Claire, oh. Parang 2D siya na art. Wow, maka 2D art. Claire, I'm going to do something here with the use of twigs.
Oh, twigs.
Like fence, I will create a little fence here.
I love nature.
You love nature.
Yes,
I
nature.
love nature too. Here, you like that?
Oh, yes.
The empty spaces, you can fill it out with small leaves. Oh, let's try. Maybe this leaf. Yeah. Na. Wow.
You love my Nanay?
I love it.
You love my butterfly?
Yes.
And I love your tree.
Thank you. So you see the beauty of nature art.
Wow. Let's wait for the glue to dry.
I have another idea. I will crumble some dry leaves. I'm going to spread it out over here.
Right here, right here.
It's time to wait.
For 5 minutes.
15 minutes.
That's so beautiful now. It's dry now. I hope you make nature art, kids.
Yes, and tag us and follow us in
Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
na-memorize na din ni Claire.
I enjoy mix flowers, mix colors, and I enjoy anything. I love nature art.
And you don't have to spend. Andyan lang sila sa tabi-tabi, but make sure also that we take care of our environment.
Nanay, I love nature. I hope you love it too.